This is video 3, and we're talking about endometriosis. I hope you will please watch videos 1 and 2 before watching video 3, as all these videos are linked together and are informative, and the information will make more sense if you watch it in order. It's very important that you watch all of these videos in completion, so take your time. Genetic factors are some theories related to causes for endometriosis. The source for this is moving back to the fact sheet on womenshealth.gov, and the link is listed in my previous videos. It says, because endometriosis runs in families, it may be inherited in the genes. So, some people believe that it's possible that there are cells in the body that in some people are more likely to have a genetic mutation or to change or to become defective, and then this condition ensues and progresses and worsens. Some people also might speculate that certain varieties of anatomy and physiology might lend to a woman being more likely to have a problem with this condition or disorder. Other things besides inheriting genes that can affect your cells and the genes in your cells are viruses. We learned that HPV and can possibly lead to the development of cervical cancer, or can be connected to it. We also know that women who have disorders of the reproductive organs or disorders of other sorts are more likely to have other problems related to those issues. So there's also some people who are starting to study now the Epstein-Barr virus and see if there is a link between that virus and the development of endometriosis. We have viruses like the Zika virus that is very unique, and when a pregnant woman contracts that virus, it can also cause her baby to be deformed and have very serious birth defects. There are many strains of herpes viruses, and all of them act in very, very different ways. Some incredibly severe, and some extremely mild, and almost seem to have no symptoms that we've ever noticed before. There's cold viruses, flu viruses, AIDS virus, or HIV. We have viruses that cause diarrhea, and we have viruses that attack all different parts of the body in very unique and different ways. So I think it's really important to consider viral issues, and also things like bacterial infections or yeast infections, or any kind of traumatic event or stressful event or inflammatory event that may affect that region of the body. It could impact the onset of illness, it could impact the worsening of illness, it could impact the progression of the illness, but also there could be things that could positively impact the illness or condition and slow it down, or maybe even cure it. So the next thing that we're going to talk about in video 4 is immune system issues and how they may be related to causes of endometriosis.